else I'll go crazy. Okay, so we got our book one. Now, yeah, so this is how it's going to look to like the width of the columns. Okay, then you build a form, you can double click this here. This will be the name of the form. You can open up that and it'll take you straight to the edit form screen. Yeah, new build a form screen. That's a handy shortcut. It saves you from going index, setup, forms, searching for it. You know, it's very easy. So what was I going to do? Yeah, this browser screen looks a bit weird. I'm going to make these a lot bigger. Okay, let's try that. See if that looks right. Okay, that looks reasonable. It's alright. Okay, so now we've got our form set up. Now the gist is, if I actually go add record, this is usually where I'd add a book, but because I haven't added all these fields to the form, it's blank. So what I'm going to have to do is, I think I can double click there. Yeah, I can. So if you click this frame here, it'll be the same as if I clicked right here. It doesn't do it for new builded system ones, but I'll show you what I meant a bit later. Okay, so we're going to add a object to FM books. Text. I want to do the title first. Title of the book. Boo underscore title. Just make tab title details. Doesn't really matter. Text. Properties. Align. Doesn't matter. They'll just default to left. Length. Pretty big. 15 or something. All these fields, you know, stop blanks, stop duplicates, they're handy, but that doesn't matter for what we're doing at the moment. Okay, yeah, so we got our title. Might make that a bit bigger, just because there is some very long titled books out there. 25. That'll do. Next one, I want to be able to choose which publisher that published the book. So next thing, I'm going to make what we call a lookup object. Lookups are awesome. They're kind of like a drop down, but you can search so easy through them, and it lets you link to another table, and that table might have thousands of records, but you can just search through it using this lookup, and I'll show it. So we got title, publisher, field name, what was it? That's our foreign key. So field name of a lookup is always the foreign key. So boo publisher ID. Called details 10. And now I want this to be 20. Lookup properties ID field. Now this is the table that we're looking at, settings kind of thing. So not settings, but you know, details that the lookup needs to run. So first of all, it wants this primary key, ID field. Second, it wants what it's gonna have as a code. Now, thinking about it now, I should probably have a publisher code so that when a user uses this lookup, they can quickly reference it. But for now, I'll just to get it up and running, I'll just make the company name the code. And we'll make no description, yes. I'll change it in a sec. I just want to get it on the screen so you can see it. Code class, doesn't matter. Form to look up. Yeah, so I'm going to have to make a publisher form. That's right. Oh, you're kidding. We should set it to access. That was funny. Oh, look up description field. That shouldn't really do that. Unless I'm missing something. No description, yes. What does that do? Yeah, that's bad. In fact, I'm going to change that right now. What is that? New builder object. I'll do it later. That's alright. I want it to have a description field anyway. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to clone the books form, and now I'm going to make our publisher one, just so we can add new publishers as well, and show you how a lookup works. So publisher, title, publishers, maybe? Yeah, publishers makes more sense. Publisher. Okay. That's alright, yep. Okay, so we're gonna have to change this information. 10, that'll do. Oh, I can just tick that. Delete. Pub website. Okay. I might as well add the code now. Structure. Hang on. I want to go. Yeah, I'll put it after this. So you can actually add a new field after these, just using this if you're not familiar with PHPMyAdmin. Wait, was it pub? Yeah, pub's my prefix, and I'll keep it the same. Pub code. Just be varchar. Let's make it 10. Don't want more longer than that. You wouldn't think. Save. Okay, so now you got it in our database. We can now look at it in New Builder. I'll actually add this here. Code. I'll change that to name. Makes a company name. Makes a bit more sense. Pub code. Okay. So want that there. Width maybe 200. 20. That's getting deleted. Website. This can be long as. Who cares? 30. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, so now we got our publish one, which means now my lookup, I can change this around. The company name, the description. Okay. I'm gonna have to save it again. This should actually be a lookup. That way I wouldn't have had to refresh then. We can change this actually ourselves if we actually change the New Builder object form object there, but I won't get into that. That's the beauty about New Builder, you can do whatever you want to it. Okay, so now we got our publisher lookup. Yeah, I set it to no description. Change that back. Oh, what have I done? Lookup. Okay. No, yeah, I need to put my description links. Make it 20. It'll be huge. Oh, it should be cranking now. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Alright, so what's the last book one we need? Was it pages? Book. Yep, pages. We got it here. Clone this. Cloning's always easier. Text. Pages. 30. And yep, text is cool. 8 sounds good. Line, right. I always like right aligning numbers. Yeah, I'll make it look good. Comma separated. Should be cool. There we go. Yeah, you can see how easy it is to make New Builder forms. It's so easy. Like, we haven't had to touch HTML in this, and yeah, that's the gist of it. So, yeah, this is our basic books one. Now, my plan for this was to have an actual subform of authors and then inventory. So I'll do that now. Actually, I won't. I might do this by myself, and then we can see. I'll show you what I've done, just because it's going to be the same thing. I have to make a form for the subform, because it will need this query to be able to get the records that'll be similar to this, and I'll need to make the subform objects that will use that form. So yeah, I'll do that myself, and I'll show you when you get back.